everyone. Are your call ending automatically or showing a call ended error on your Android phone? Don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through simple and effective fixes step by step. Step 1. Restart your phone. First, restart your Android phone. This refreshes network service, can quickly fix temporary calling issues. Step 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This helps restart your network connection. Step 3. Check network signal. Make sure you have a strong network signal. If you are on a low signal area, move to a location with better coverage. Step 4. Check the SIM card. Remove your SIM card and reset it properly. If possible, test the SIM in another phone to confirm it's working fine. Step 5. Select network manually. Go to Settings, Mobile Network, Network Operators. Turn off automatic selection and choose your network manually. Step 6. Check preferred network type. Open Settings, Preferred network type. Select LTE, 4G, 3G, 2G, Auto. Using the wrong network mode can cause call drop issues. Step 7. Turn off VoLTE if needed. Go to Settings, Mobile Network and turn off VoLTE. On some phones, VoLTE can cause call to end automatically. Step 8. Reset network settings. Open Settings, Reset Options, Reset network settings. This reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, but it won't delete your personal data. Step 9. Update phone software. Go to Settings, Software Update and check for updates. System bugs can sometimes cause calling problem. Last option, contact your network provider. If the issue still continues, contact your network provider. Your SIM card may be blocked, damaged or need replacement. Important tips. Make sure your SIM is active. Avoid using VPNs during call. Don't use third-party calling or signal booster apps. And that's it. These steps should fix the call ended problem on Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy Android and Teach fixes.